In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a package on Depop. If you've recently bought something on Depop and you want to check where your order is, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can find your tracking details quickly and view the latest delivery status of your package. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the website loads, log into your Depop account. Make sure you're signing into the same account you used to place the order, since your purchase details and tracking information will only appear there. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with different account options. From that menu, select Purchases. This section is where Depop stores information about the items you've bought, so it's the right place to go anytime you want to review an order or check shipping updates. Once you're in the Purchases section, find the item you bought and click on it. This will open the purchase details for that order. Take a moment to look through the receipt page because this is where Depop shows important information related to the purchase, including shipping and tracking if it has been provided by the seller or carrier. On the purchase receipt, look for a track package option or a tracking number link. Depending on the order, you may see one or the other, but both serve the same purpose. If the package has already been shipped and tracking is available, this link should take you to the most current delivery information. Click the tracking number or the track package link to view the delivery status of your order. You'll usually be able to see where the package is in transit, whether it's out for delivery or if it has already been delivered. This is the best way to stay updated without having to contact the seller directly. If you don't see tracking information right away, it may simply mean the seller hasn't added it yet or the shipment hasn't updated in the system. In that case, check back a little later. That's all it takes to track a package on Depop through Chrome. Once you know where the purchases section is, checking your order status becomes fast and easy.